using these features to predict the properties of francium. In this video, we will use the features we know about alkali metals and learn more about the element francium. Francium is very soft, with a melting point just above room temperature. So, first of all, it's a soft element, and it has a melting point just above room temperature. This is considered a low melting point compared to other elements. Its density is probably just over 2 grams per centimeter cubed. Francium will be a silvery metal, but will tarnish almost instantly in air. So as you see in the picture, it's silvery. But once it's exposed to air, this shine and this silvery metal look goes away and tarnish. It would react violently with water to give francium hydroxide and hydrogen. Once you see that a hydroxide is formed, then there are hydroxide ions, OH- ions. So francium hydroxide solution will be strongly alkaline because of these hydroxide ions, OH- ions. Francium compounds are white and dissolve in water to give colorless solution. So the compound itself is white, but once you dissolve it in water, it turns colorless. These are the properties of francium, and remember that francium is an alkali metal, so it has similar properties as other alkali metals in group number 1 of the periodic table.